Great Taste is brought to you by Cantor's Meats.
Welcome back, Dairy Best Bowls with Dairy Farmers of Manitoba. We're here tonight with Sarah Cahill and all the good things that come in a bowl. We started off with some slow cooker taco soup. That turned out very good. And now we're on to roasted corn and bacon chowder. You can't go wrong with chowder. Like, it's going to be fantastic. And this one's special because of the roasted corn.
Absolutely, and it's truly a meal in a bowl. And so this roasted corn is wonderful because whether a corn is in season or whether it's not, you can use either corn on the cob or frozen corn and just broil it in your oven.
So roasting just adds another sort of element of sort of another layer of flavor.
You may be tempted to skip the step,
yeah,
but
I'd be tempted.
Don't
do it. Okay.
The other really nice ingredient in here is bacon. Bacon makes everything tasty, right?
Yes, indeed.
So we've pre-cooked some chopped bacon, and so those two are going to go in at the very end.
All right.
So what we've been doing now for the last little bit is we've been sautéing some onions and garlic.
Yeah, we're off to a great start.
We are. And so we're going to make a roux. So
what?
A roux.
We never make roux, Sarah. This is like our own little tradition here.
It is. So we're going to add some flour.
Okay, and do you want me to just...
yeah, you can sure. You can
I think that's always sort of my job, isn't it?
It is, yeah. And you're becoming an expert roux maker.
Right.
So some of our flavoring / coloring that we're going to add is some paprika into there as well. So we've got that nicely mixed up.
Okay.
Okay, and so to our flour, we are going to add our milk to make the roux. And so this is our Manitoba milk. And we are actually using a lactose-free milk today.
Okay, so tell us about that, because of course we do have a lot of people that are lactose intolerant. Right?
Absolutely, it's a great alternative because it's lactose-free, of course. The nutritional value is the same, and it can be used in place of any milk, which is really convenient.
So totally interchangeable.
Absolutely.
And not missing out on anything.
That's right. And so the thing with lactose-free milk is the lactose has been broken down so that those who are lactose intolerant can easily digest it and continue to enjoy milk and food that is made with milk.
Awesome.
So yeah, it's a very nice way to do that. Okay, and then now that we've got all of our milk incorporated, we're gonna add a little bit of chicken broth. So we've got some chicken broth to the side there for you. We're gonna add that, and then of course, every good chowder has potatoes in it. So we're gonna add our potatoes. So we've got a couple cups of potatoes in there.
I just want to also mention we've got a couple of other little great ingredients in here. Peak of the market onions, peak of the market potatoes, and then of course we have Manitoba wheat growers flour. You know, this area produces prolifically produces wheat, probably more here in Manitoba than just about anywhere in the country, if not the world. So just have to give that a little mention as well.
Tons of Manitoba ingredients there. It's just wonderful. So we're gonna let that simmer, and we're gonna let the potatoes cook through, and then we've got our sort of thickened potato version, which is fantastic.
Yeah.
You know what that means? It's time to add our roasted corn.
It's time.
It's time. And then it's also time to add our bacon. But let's get all of that delicious corn in there.
Look at how beautiful that is. Yeah. Like, it just looks gorgeous. And as you say, like, roasting adds that other little sort of layer of flavor, but at the same time, like, it makes it look, it just adds a nice look to it. And then the bacon doesn't hurt either.
Not at all. And so
I could just look at it all day.
It's delicious, it's colorful, and like I said, it's truly a meal in a bowl.
Yeah, it's hard to stir it actually after a point. Yeah.
I was originally thinking this is definitely like a fall or a winter dish, but actually I've had it a lot in summer and it's still quite delicious. And then you can make that corn on the cob, you can roast it on your barbecue, which is super cool.
Yeah, super handy.
So I'm actually going to serve you some of that. And this one is also kind of all about the garnishes. I really like to garnish with green onion and some shredded cheddar, and again, it just brings it to a whole other level.
Look at how beautiful.
It's kind of hot.
Lovely.
Get you to maybe garnish it.
Sure. Now, oh, wait a minute. Hold on. That's probably better. Get how I'm learning. It only took me 4 years.
Wonderful.
Okay.
So shredded cheddar, so that melts on top nicely. You could add some more bacon if you really wanted to get fancy.
Oh, there's no more.
No, it's okay. Yo, we used all of the soup. All of the soup. Yeah.
Okay, so there it is. Beautiful. I'm gonna have a little taste here.
Wonderful.
So actually, you know what we'll do is I'll have a taste in just a shake here, but I just wanted to let you know that coming up next, we have the most amazing dessert. It looks extraordinary, and but it tastes just as great. We're going to come back with tropical kiwi cake in just a few minutes here on Great Taste of Manitoba. Don't go away.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by Manitoba Agriculture.